If you're thinking about trying CAIL AI, the just released AI software everyone's talking about, this video covers 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. And trust me, one of them could completely change how you approach content and automation. Before we jump in, you can try CAIL AI completely free from the first link in the description. I'll also share a surprising feature toward the end that most people miss, so don't skip ahead. Let's get into it. First, CAIL AI isn't just another ChatGPT clone. It's a focused AI built for automating customer interactions and content workflows in a way that's actually useful for real businesses. If you've tested as many tools as I have, over 1,000 at this point, you'll spot the difference instantly. CAIL's biggest strength is its ability to integrate with your existing tools. Think CRMs, help desk platforms, email tools. It doesn't force you to switch your stack. It plays nicely with what you already use. That's huge. Another standout is the context retention. You can train CAIL AI on your company docs, past support chats, sales calls, so it actually gives on-brand, accurate answers. And that makes it extremely useful for small teams that want to appear way bigger and more responsive. Speed-wise, it's fast. I've seen CAIL beat out big names when it comes to response time. No lags, no crashes, just smooth delivery. Now, here's where things get clever. It doesn't just respond to questions. You can set proactive workflows, meaning it can reach out with updates, follow up on leads, and escalate issues to humans, all automated. You're not just replacing a support rep, you're building a smarter system. But, and this is important, CAIL AI still needs clear training data. If your knowledge base is a mess, it'll reflect that. Garbage in, garbage out. So before launching, spend time curating your inputs. Pricing? At the time I'm recording this, there's a free plan with generous limits. For startups and solopreneurs, that's gold. And paid tiers scale up based on usage, not features being locked, which I really like. And here's the part that surprised me. CAIL lets you customize tone and personality deeply, way beyond just friendly or professional. You can shape it like a brand ambassador, and that's a game changer for marketing and customer trust. If you've been burnt by clunky AI bots or overpriced assistants, CAIL might just be the smart middle ground. It's simple enough for non-techies, but powerful enough for marketers who want real automation ROI. If you're curious, again, the free trial is linked below, no credit card needed. And I've got my personal list of top AI software recommendations in the description based on hands-on testing with thousands of tools. Go give CAIL AI a spin. You might just find your new favorite assistant.